What is good, guys? And today we're going to do sniper only with him. We're finally back. So yeah.
I see. Yeah, we're finally back because
Before
we
we
haven't recorded in a while together, so we thought today.
yeah, before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll join the Discord. We'll put it up like right there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get in the video. So I think we might be a little cooked. Dude, sniper only is kind of crazy.
Oh, you sniper only too.
No, you don't got to, bro.
Okay. You don't got to, though.
Yeah, lost.
Right, so in the phantom.
I'd rather not.
Only if you suck now.
After this match, you can type up my user.
Dude, I'm pissed.
I like.
SMG's better than sniper.
Oh my
200?
gosh, I didn't hit it for me. I'm not trying, bro.
Up your old loadout.
Wait, we're playing from
No,
sniper.
mine might
Oh,
no.
I'll have sniper unlocked. Or AK.
No. Like all old
Is it
loadout.
bad that just how you guys are playing equal space?
No, I didn't pop it. Frank just wrote out, bro.
You literally made SMG.
Actually, no, I don't. I mean, mini pistol.
You literally said they're in a video.
And I've been seeing every single shot. I've been seeing every single
Ah, good job.
Hey, reindeer. Hey, reindeer. Ears, whatever you want to call him, he's low.
Alright, guys, we're in our second match with sniper. Dude, like. Why are we using Uzi?
Why are we using Uzi, dang? Why are we using Uzi?
On the other hand, dude, oh my god. He hasn't used another gun except for shotgun. Oh wait, he's about to use another gun. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, gang, you lock his skill. Somehow that's a thing. And I'm getting double teamed. Like, dude. Oh, yes. Yes, sabe. Meu bairro. No, illegal down. Oh, Dios. Eu soba. Meu pai. Ela soba. O bairro. Illegal down. Eu caso. Alright,
Alright, we're in the fourth match.
on the third match.
We could do
Round
4 or
starting.
5, honestly. I hit him for 74.
Oh, clips. I'm clipping
Oh,
now.
let's. Yo.
100.
200.
This guy's sniping.
Chat, we all know that you're a trash with sniper now. No offense, but it's true.
Yeah, I know. I can. And now there's cars. That's nice. You can tell by my dad.
Or you could just go back and watch the other videos.
Yeah, you can just go back and...
Yeah, why is bro using shurikens? Dude, mine. I wish we could use movement. No way, bro. He's behind you. Oh my god, dude, why do
Look at my
what? Did you take it off?
No, I didn't take it. Oh my gosh.
It's like we want some action. Oh, I did nothing. You're gonna have to lock in. Hit a clip. W cameraman by me. Oh, good. GG's.
Guys, W sniper. Hey, you're
thank
really
you.
good with sniper. Hey, good.
Yeah, dang, I'm totally getting it.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. So yeah. It's for sniper only. Again, we're gonna like put our Discord up right here. And make sure to like and subscribe and yeah!
And also, make sure to sub for more content like this.
Yeah. See y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Goodbye.